In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts to WhatsApp from iPhone. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your WhatsApp, right? If you love to add some contacts to your WhatsApp, right? Let's say you want to add up some friends and some family members of someone from a group, right? So just click on the group. I'm currently in this group and I want to add up a contacts from here, right? So I'm going to go up. I'll just click on this contacts, right? Click on the message. I'll click on this. I'll click on the create new contact, right? You just enter the person's name. I can just name the person. Let me say Emmanuel, right? Say Emmanuel Hiri, right? Click on the done. Right now you can see I just added up this contact right here on my WhatsApp from my iPhone, right? So if I head over to my device, I'm going to search. I think Emmanuel should come out here, right? So okay, Emmanuel is currently not on my, like, it has not saved my contact yet, but on my WhatsApp I have Emmanuel, right? So this is him, Emmanuel Hiri, right? So this is basically how you can do this here on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.